Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to export WIX website. So the short answer is you cannot uh, export WIX website. There isn't any option or features like that. You cannot export the WIX website. But what you can is you can you transfer your site to someone else. So I'm gonna show you how you can transfer your site to someone. So let's go to the dashboard first. Sorry, go to this editor Wix editor page, then click on plus icon, add elements. Now you can see here the search option. Click on search and right here site, sorry, transfer site. Now scroll down, then you will find here this transfer site, this one. Click on this. Here is your site and it will pop up a window. The window is like this: transfer your site to a new owner. You have to write the email address of that new owner. You want to change that ownership. Just send her his or her email here. Now you can choose anyone who it to describe them as a client, an agency or freelancer, someone else. I'm choosing someone else. Click on continue. Now you can see that keep my role as co-owner of this transfer and create a new site, keep my in account. You can choose double and you can click on continue. Now just if you click on this continue button, your site will be transferred to this person, okay, the new owner. So this is how you can transfer site. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.